In this video we shall talk about double subqueries with in keyword. To analyze this idea we have to solve the following tasks. In all cases we have to show all books from programming and/or classic genre, but in the first case we cannot use joins and we know IDs of genres. In the second case we also cannot use joins and we do not know IDs of genres. In the third case we may use joins and we know IDs of genres. And in the fourth case we also may use join and we do not know IDs of genres. Obviously the expected result is the same for all four tasks, for all four cases. In the first solution we cannot use joins but we know IDs of genres. So we have to use this table that stores information about connections between books and genres, and we select IDs of all books written in these two genres. This inner subquery returns us the following data. Then in the main part of the query we have to select books with IDs in this set. And that's all, and the solution for Microsoft SQL Server and Oracle is exactly the same. In the second solution we still cannot use joins, and here we do not know IDs of genres. So we have to select IDs of genres based on genre's name. Pay attention to this syntax. We may use in keyword with some constants, not only query, but some constants. Then, once we have the IDs of genres, here they are, we select books IDs from that genres. Now, after this subquery execution, we have a set of IDs of books from that genres, and we select those books with IDs from that set. With Microsoft SQL Server the idea is exactly the same. Based on genre's name we get genre's IDs, then based on those genre's IDs we get books IDs from that genres, and then we select books with IDs in that set of IDs. And for Oracle the idea is exactly the same. We use genres names, we get genres IDs, then we get set of books IDs from that genres, and then we select books with IDs from that set. But how these two solutions may look like with joins? Here we may use join, and here we know IDs of genres. So we select information about books from this table, then we are joining that table with this one that stores information about connections between books and genres, and we use such a condition that genres should be from this set of IDs. And we have to use distinct keyword to prevent such a situation. You see that this book is related to both genres, and so the data is duplicated, but with distinct keyword one duplication disappears. And solutions for Microsoft SQL Server and Oracle are exactly the same. If we still may use joins but we do not know IDs of genres, we have to perform additional step. Here it is. We are selecting genres IDs based on their names. And once we have genres IDs, the idea is exactly the same as in the previous solution. And one can easily guess that for Microsoft SQL Server the idea, the solution is exactly the same as it is for Oracle.